Hello guys, my name is Antoine McBay. Welcome to Liberium Crypto. I'm going to share with you what I feel is an incredible passive income play. But I need you to understand this is not like your typical crypto opportunities. This is not a program where we're trying to convince you to send your money to the company. When you understand this model, this is a model that says we don't want your money. So it's completely different than most other crypto opportunities that are out there. First, let me share with you a little bit about me. I'm from Dallas, Texas, and I've been into cryptocurrency now since Bitcoin was $375 for one Bitcoin at the time when I first got involved. But I had a mentor, Chinese lady born out of Vietnam, raised in Los Angeles, California, began to teach me about cryptocurrency, blockchain technology. This was almost 6 years ago. And I was all in. I've been living on crypto ever since. In other words, I don't have any fiat in the bank. Fiat is USD, Vietnam Dong, Korean Won, Thai Baht, the pound. That is considered fiat. I'm all in crypto. Now, let me share with you why I'm all in and why I bought in almost 6 years ago. First, some things you need to understand. Number one, in January of 2022, the US inflation rate accelerates to a 40-year all-time high of 7.5%. What exactly does that mean? That means if you have $100 in the bank, the value of that $100 is $925 at the end of the year. That's if the inflation rate stays the same at 7.5%. $925. If you got $5,000 in the bank, it's valued at $4,640. $10,000 in the bank, $9,250. $50,000 in the bank, $46,250. $100,000 in the bank, $92,500. This is real because of inflation. And some speculate that inflation is really at about 15%, but this is based on documentation as of January 2022, 7.5%. So that means that our money is going down. We're losing by doing nothing with money just sitting in the bank. Let me give you some other statistics. Buying groceries for your family, you would need to spend an additional $4,575.69 for the year to buy the exact same groceries that you bought last year. Did you hear the words that just came out of my mouth? Meaning, we must do something. So I know investing is risky, but to me, it's all risky. Life is risky. Getting married is risky. Having kids is risky. It's all risky. And so if you are not investing in something, if you're not doing something, wait till you get the bill for not investing. Let me tell you exactly how risky life is. You're not going to get out of it alive. So it's all risky. Doing nothing is risky. So I took a chance, and I'm so grateful that I did. But I need you to understand, the world is different. We've gone through a pandemic where we've had to wear a mask for a number of years now. No one saw that coming. And now you've got an invasion where Russia is invading Ukraine. And look at what's happening. The Ukrainians are buying record sums of Bitcoin. And this was March 2nd, 2022. The Russians are paying up to $20,000 above market rate to buy Bitcoin. March 1st, 2022. Why do you think that is? Because the Russian ruble has plunged nearly 30% against the US dollar. If you haven't seen the video of the lines, the queue to go to the ATM for them to get their money out, it's just mind-blowing. So I share with you 7.5% inflation. Do the numbers on 30%, and you'll see why they're making the decision to get involved with Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. Yes, it's volatile, but if we look at the history of cryptocurrency, it has just been on an incredible climb. Now, here's what I need you to understand. We're not trying to convince you to do what we're doing. We are looking for people who are looking for us at the end of the day. So what is Liberium Crypto? We are a crypto trade execution platform for professional traders and their followers, but we're also a crypto trade execution platform for the non-professional traders that are looking for professionals to copy. In putting this platform together, we wanted a platform that we felt would be the absolute easiest crypto trading on the planet. I feel like we've done exactly that. And of course, we want to gather a massive number of affiliates to grow the customer base. Who's better to share the user experience than those who are using the actual software? Being a software company that provides real crypto trade execution based on professional traders for subscribers, this is known as a global social trading community. But here's some of the most important key parts. Users maintain possession of their crypto assets 100% of the time. Customers control their own money, their own stop loss. They can set it at 10, 15, or 20%, which means you can control everything that goes on with your money. It's called calculated risk. See, I like that. I want to be in control of my money. I've got 11 Bitcoin reasons why this is the model that I do, where I can control my money and I don't send it to anybody. Let's look at the trading benefits. Liberium Crypto offers 2 trading packages. They've got the fully automated, which is kind of like the hands-off, that trades for you even while you're sleeping. And they also have the trade signals, which means you need to know how to execute your own buy and sell based on following the signals. Trade signals is a monthly subscription. It's not automated. Obviously, the fully automated is based on a trade token purchase. We're going to talk about that. Users keep 100% of the trading profit, so your money is your money. Users maintain possession of their crypto assets 100% of the time, and users can set their own stop loss on all trades or on individual trades. 10%, 15%, or 20%, which means whatever you buy, if the market drops 10% and you set it at 10%, it will take you out and you have a 10% loss on that trade. If you set it at 15%, you got a 15% loss on that trade if the market drops 15% below your buy price. Example, if you're doing a $300 trade, the market drops 15% and you got a 15% stop loss, you lost $45 on that trade. You're saying, I'll buy that dip and I can make up that $45 loss buying the dip. The company also offers BTC ETH pair trading, which is brilliant. And by having the stop loss and adding BTC ETH pair trade, you don't have to worry about getting caught in the market and having all these open trades. We also still have the USDT swing trades, but Liberium Crypto does not have any fees based on trading, nor are there any volume limits on trades or revenue share based on volume or profits. Very clean business model. The way the company is doing it, the traders are consistently reviewed to ensure high quality trading. Here's what's interesting. The traders, they don't even know how much you are trading per trade. They don't know how much you have in your trading account. They don't have access to that information. They're simply leveraging a proprietary software to facilitate trades, not only for themselves, but for those who choose to follow them. So trading is commission free from the Liberium Crypto traders, and you're going to keep 100% of the trading results. The company gives you options. You can profit from trading yourself, being a trader, copying a trader, and or building a referral base. If you choose to refer others, the company is going to pay unlimited commissions immediately in Bitcoin and Litecoin after blockchain confirmations into the wallet of your choice. The company used compression so that all of the available commission is paid out. Let's take a look at the trade token packages. Now, remember, this is fully automated. It's hands-off. The standard package is $179, which gives you 179 trade tokens. Trade package B is $359, which gives you an additional 11.4% extra tokens. That's a total of 400. Trade package C gives you an additional 30% extra tokens, a total of 700. And trade package D gives you an additional 40% extra tokens. That's 1,000 trade tokens for $715. Now, at the end, I'm going to use an income calculator where we can kind of play with some numbers. This income calculator has been submitted into our corporate Telegram channel. If you're not part of that channel, make sure you are adding yourself to that channel, which is on the website, right? And of course, if you want trade signals only, it's a monthly subscription of $69. What you need to get started, you got to have a cryptocurrency wallet. You need to set up an account with a cryptocurrency exchange. Now, if you're doing some trading on your own or you are trading with another company, make sure you open up a separate account for Liberium Crypto to keep it separate and to keep it clean. We are currently working with KuCoin, Binance.com, Kraken, and Gemini. Those are the 4 exchanges that we're starting with, and we're going to add more in the future. And then you select your trade token package. Okay, no monthly subscription. It's just based on the number of trades. You set up your API code and your private code from your exchange, and you're going to paste that into the back office of Liberium Crypto so that when the trader you are following facilitates a trade, the software can communicate with your exchange where your money is and facilitate that trade inside of your exchange, which means your money never, ever leaves your possession. Complete transparency. And of course, you want to select the pro trader that you want to follow. Here's a sneak peek of the back office where you can take a look. You can see where you'll be able to paste in your API keys. You can enable the automatic trading. You can select the trader you want to follow. You can enter in the amount per trade. You can enable the stop loss if you choose. Okay, you don't have to have a stop loss, but if you want it, you can enable it and you can set it at 10%, 15, or 20%. All right. And then, of course, you can select the exchange that you're going to be using. Once you are entering a trade, you're going to receive an email that lets you know the trader you are following has just made a buy, and you can verify where on your exchange to make sure the trade has taken place. When the trader sells, you receive an email let you know the trader you are following is just sold, and you can verify on your exchange. Let's take a look at some numbers from our traders. These traders I have a history with, some of them more than 4 years, others a year, 2 years, a half a year. But I know these traders, and they are performing very well on what's called swing trades, going from USDT to some of the top 10 currency. These are their numbers, and another platform that I work with these traders on, and they've just done a phenomenal job. You can see Carlo, the first trader, he finished the month of January 4.4%. Carlo is a guy that wants to get in and out real quickly. He wants to take very, very small margins and get in and out very quickly. 𝙏𝙼, I've been working with her for more than 4 years in trading, 4.6%. She finished out the month. You've got Jonathan, he finished out the month a little over 8%. Extreme out of South Africa finished out the month of January at 5.9%. And ladies and gentlemen, in the month of February, he finished out the month at over 9% on swing trades. Yeah, over 100 trades in the month of January. Okay, excuse me, the month of February for Extreme. So he did a phenomenal job. All of these traders have done a phenomenal job on swing trades, but a lot of them, their area of expertise is in BTC pair trading, in which the current platform that I work with these traders on, they don't offer BTC ETH pair trading. So we have new developers, a new team that created a platform that will allow these traders to leverage their skill set, not only for themselves, but for those who choose to follow them. Here's one of Carlo's accounts with KuCoin, where documentation from the actual exchange that shares with him, where the annual trade volume was over 2 million, and his portfolio performed better than 98.58% of other users. Did you hear me? And that's not talking about swing trades. We're talking about BTC pair trading, ETH pair trading, which is his area of expertise. Okay, here's some of his numbers. We're going to start from the bottom. He did a pair trade with BTC and UOS, and you can see the number of Satoshis that was 0.00003246. And you can see the time frame, 5301.08 there, and 1301 where he sold. And he collected more Satoshis, which means in BTC pair trading, you are accumulating more BTCs. In ETH pair trading, you are accumulating more ETH, Ethereum. All right. So he went from 3246 to 3285 real quick, just like that. All right. Here's another one starting from the bottom, BTC paired with LUNA. All right, you can see he bought it at 0.0018771 Satoshis. He sold it at 189963. So he accumulated more BTC, and he'll do this over and over and over and over again. I've seen Carlo have more than 500 trades on some occasions in 1 month. So it depends on the market, ladies and gentlemen. Extreme out of South Africa, one of his accounts, Binance, sent him this information. You hit the 2 million in the cumulative trade volume. See, what's great about these traders, they live on their strategies and they are outperforming bots. Here, his largest single trade occurred on 2021-2/8, where he traded 30 Bitcoin Cash. Do you know how much Bitcoin Cash is? And he traded 30 of them. So this is documentation, which beats any form of conversation. And then you got pro trader 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙣𝙠. Here's some of her numbers. And these are on BTC pair trades, not the numbers I shared with you with all the traders on swing trades going from USDT stablecoin to some of the top 10 coins. I'm sharing with you what they've been doing personally from some other accounts on BTC pair trading. And you can see where she bought IOTX and she sold it. She averaged on this trade over 13%, on the other trade over 24%. Now, some of these trades took about 10 days, some took 12 days, but I'll wait 10 to 12 days for 24 or 13%. Yeah, I'm sure you would too. Does she have some where she averaged a lot smaller percentage? Of course. Here, she averaged 2.05% in 2 hours on a trade. Here's another one, wasn't that long, but 15.17% for about 6-7 days. I'm in all day long. So I live on this strategy, and I've been living in this market following 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙣𝙠. And now we've got some of these other amazing traders that you will be able to read their bio, see their numbers, and select the trader that you want to follow that fits you. And of course, we're in pre-lunch, and we got an important announcement. You want to enroll now. It's free. It costs you nothing to get in position. And by you enrolling now before the company launch, the company's going to give you some free trade tokens just so that you can test the system. Because again, at the end of the day, we're looking for people who are looking for us. If you don't like it, then don't select the package. But if you like it, be fully committed. The reason I've had success in this model is because I'm all in. I've been living on it. I take the good with the bad. There's going to be good months. There's going to be bad months. There's going to be good days. There's going to be bad days. And that goes for all trading, by the way. I know people that say, you know, I was in the stock market and I lost money. And I know other people say I was in the stock market and I made money. What's the difference? They're still in it. They're still doing it. So I'm going to tell you, for you to have success here, you need to commit and you need to be all in. You look at this like a savings account, because doing nothing, you're losing money based on inflation. So do something. As with any business, your results may vary, will be based on your individual capacity, work, business experience, expertise, and level desires. There are no guarantees concerning the level of success you may experience. Any testimonies, examples used are exceptional results, which do not apply to the average purchaser and are not intended to represent a guarantee that anyone will achieve the same or similar results. So each individual success depends on his or her background, dedication, effort put forth, desire, and motivation. So what I want to do, I'm going to stop my screen share real quick, and I'm going to go to the income calculator and just kind of show you some numbers and be very, very conservative on these numbers, okay? Be very, very conservative on these numbers. If we take the standard fully automated trade package, it's $179, which gives you 179 trades. And if you were doing $200 per trade and you average 1.5% winning per trade, your estimated profit will be $358. Now, that's taking into account your $179 trade package fee. So this would be your estimated net profit. It's already accounting for your 179. It's already accounting. These numbers, estimated profit, is already accounting for your fee for your trade tokens. So trade token package B, you can see your estimated net profit. Package C, estimated net profit. Package D, your estimated net profit. You can see, all right? Estimated profit packages price has already been reduced. Deducted. It's already been deducted. So guys, this is realistic, very doable. Now, again, you can have some good months, you can have some bad months. I've been in trading so long where I've had 2-3 months bad and then 9 most amazing months that most people would have quit in the first 2 or 3 months. Think long term, because if you look at the history of cryptocurrency, people are winning and winning all day long. So don't get frustrated. Be in for the long haul and be realistic about how much money, discretionary funds you have to trade with. And if you don't have enough, then you're the one that really need to leverage the affiliate side that pays extremely well in real time, that will allow you to earn additional income to start trading with funds out of profit versus out of pocket. So with that being said, I want to thank each and every one of you for tuning in to Liberium Crypto. What you want to do is get back with the person that shared this video with you and enroll immediately, like now, while we're in pre-lunch, because we're going to lunch very, very soon. Thank you for your time. Take care and God bless.